Turning now to our health this evening.
There's some new information tonight on the ongoing outbreaks of measles and whooping cough in Louisiana. The Louisiana Department of Health late today warning that cases of whooping cough are on pace to set a new record. State health officials say whooping cough is surging. 6 new cases were confirmed today, bringing the number of cases so far this year here in Louisiana to 170. Compare that to 154 cases in all of last year. Doctors say whooping cough and measles are most dangerous to infants and babies too young to be vaccinated.
Both measles and whooping cough are vaccine-preventable diseases. The impact of these diseases, especially on babies and young children, cannot be underestimated.